Now let's see what is a universal gate. A universal gate is a gate that can be used to design other gates or circuits without the use of any other gate. Okay, it means if we want to design a bigger circuit using this universal gate, which consists of two types of gates, either a NAND gate or a NOR gate. Okay, then this circuit can be designed by either using NOR gate or can either using by NAND gate or by using NOR gate only. It does not require to have to use other gates like AND gate, OR gate or NOT gate like this. Okay, so we can design this complete circuit by using either only NAND gate or only NOR gate. Now see the NAND gate first. NAND gate. NAND gate is also known as NOT of AND because it gives the inverted output of a AND gate. See here, if we consider two input NAND gate, then suppose there are two inputs. Here A is the input, B is the another input, and Y is the output of AND gate. Then for 0-0 combination, output will be 0. For 0-1 combination, output will be 0. For 1-0 combination, output will be 0. And for 1-1 combination, the output will be 1. So in this way, if we want to have the output of a NAND gate, then the NAND gate will have the inverted output of this AND gate. So in this way we get a 1 at this position, 1 at this position, 1 at this position, and 0 at this position. Okay, so you can see it's different symbolically also. Symbol of NAND gate. It consists of both AND gate with a NOT gate. So if we club this NOT gate with this AND gate, then it looks like this. That is, this is the symbol of NAND gate, where these are the inputs and this is your final output Y. This is nothing but this is your NAND gate, where this A and B are the inputs and this bubble represents NOT gate. Okay, so in this way, if we look at the Boolean expression of a NAND gate, then it will be y is equals to A dot B, and this is get to be inverted, so we have to apply a bar here. So you can also use this symbol, sorry, this representation. Okay, now let us see the NOR gate. NOR gate does the inverted operation of a OR gate. So you can call it as a NOT of OR gate. That is, suppose your two input OR gate consists of A and B as the input and Y, where Y is the output of OR gate, and Y dash, where Y dash is the output of NOR gate. Then for 0 0, the output of OR gate will be 0. So the output of NOR gate will be 1. For 0 1, OR gate have output as 1. So NOR gate has output as 0. Similarly, for a combination of input 1 0, the output will be 1 for OR gate and NOR gate will get a 0 at this position. And if inputs are 1 1, then output will be 1. Then it means the property of NOR gate is that if all the inputs of a NOR gate are at logic 0, of a NOR gate are at logic 0, then the output will be at logic high or logic 1. Okay, now if we look at the symbol, then symbol of NOR gate will consist of both OR gate and a NOT gate. So if we look at the collective symbol, then it looks like this. Okay, where this is your OR gate, this is your NOT gate. So this represents your NOT operation, and here A and B are the inputs and Y will be the output. Now if we look at its Boolean expression, then as we know that the Boolean expression of OR gate is Y is equals to A plus B. So Boolean expression of NOR gate will be the inverted version of your OR gate. So we have to put a bar at this position. Okay.